AI is transforming the world, but what happens when it's unfair or makes mistakes? Let's talk about the challenges of building ethical AI and why fairness matters. AI isn't magic, it learns from data. But if that data is biased, the AI can make unfair decisions. For example, some hiring algorithms have shown bias against women and minorities because the data they were trained on wasn't diverse enough. Another challenge? Privacy. AI systems collect massive amounts of data, but how do we make sure it's used responsibly? Without strong guidelines, sensitive information can be at risk. Sometimes, even well-designed AI can have unintended consequences, like a chatbot that learns harmful behavior from users or an AI in healthcare that favors certain groups over others. So how do we fix this? By creating ethical AI. That means ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in every step from data collection to how decisions are made. Companies are now using tools to audit AI systems for bias and build guidelines for responsible AI use. But it's not just up to tech companies, we all have a role to play in asking questions and holding AI accountable. Ethical AI is about more than just technology, it's about building a fairer future for everyone. What do you think is the biggest challenge in creating ethical AI? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI from SmartSpark.